Hey guys! So I've received a request from a few of your classmates to show you how to use DESMOS to graph circles. So let's get started. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a circle that has center at 0, 0 and a radius of 5. All right. I know that I need to do x minus h, where h is the x-coordinate of the center of my circle. X minus 0, and then I need to square that. Now you can use the keyboard. I'm going to hit the Shift key and the 6 key to move up, and I'm going to square it. Then I'll use my over arrow to move over, plus, and then I have y minus. K of my is the y portion of the center of my circle, which at 0, 0 is going to be 0. And I am going to hit Shift 6 and square that. And I want my radius to be 5. But remember, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So if my radius is going to be 5, then r squared is 25. And there I have a circle that has center 0, 0 and radius 5. Now, if I want to make an interlocking circle, let's say I want to do that with a center right here at negative 5, 0. Okay, let's do a new one. This time, the x part, I've drawn an x, so it drew a line. Don't worry, it'll change. The x portion of my new center is negative 5. So x minus negative 5 will be x plus 5. And I'm going to hit Shift 6 and square that. And I'm going to say plus y minus. Remember, my center is going to be right here at negative 5, 0. So that's going to be 0. Close parentheses, Shift 6 squared equals. Now remember that you're trying to make a bunch of circles that are the same. So I need to keep the same radius, 5. R squared then would be 25. And there we go. In order to do an interlocking circle up here, I'm going to have to shift up. And I'm going to need to put the center of my circle right in between. So actually, I'm going to have negative 2.5 as the center. So x minus negative 2.5 would be plus 2.5 squared. And then I'm going to add y minus, well, how far up do I want to go? Maybe I want to put the center of my circle here at 7.5. Let's try it. Squared, and that's going to have the same radius. Okay, I might have made that a little bit too high, so let's bring it down just a tad, maybe to 5. Oh, okay. So then we can continue from here, making circles that interlock with each other. I hope that this was helpful. Have a good one.